In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Notion account with Morgen and then show your Notion tasks inside of Morgen. When looking at Morgen, we can open up the tasks sidebar, and then at the top there is the option to connect a task integration. When we left click, it will take us into the settings and to the external accounts integrations. From here, you'll see the connected calendar accounts that you have and any other external accounts you may have connected. At the top right, you can then add another account. I'm going to add account. I can connect another calendar account, add a video conferencing integration or a task integration, and as you can see, Notion is at the top. So I'm going to left click, sign in with Notion, and from here you can see in the top right, I'm looking to integrate with Brenner's Notion workspace. Brenner is another member of the Morgen team, and this integration is going to go to this specific workspace. And so I now need to select the pages from that workspace I want to see inside of Morgen. From here, you can select which pages to allow Morgen access to. In my case, I'm going to keep them all, so I'm going to allow access. But Morgen now needs to know what databases from those Notion pages it's allowed to bring in. So I'm going to add a Notion database. I'm going to use the example database that I created before, and then I'm going to save configuration. Authentication has been succeeded. It's going to redirect me back to Morgen, and now you can see inside of the external accounts integration settings, my Notion account has been added. And so when I go to the task sidebar, the Notion icon appears. When I click, it will then show me all of the tasks I have set up inside of Notion and set up in the integration settings to bring into Morgen.